Introducing the Pro Series high-fidelity headphones. The Pro 400 headphones are designed to provide an exceptional music listening experience. The comfortable over-ear design is used for its superior noise isolation properties. Incorporated in the Yamaha proprietary driver assembly is a neodymium magnet structure. Its exceptional magnet efficiency is an important property for playing music from battery-powered mobile devices. The extra-large 50mm drivers are enclosed in high-volume ear cups to create a rich, deep soundscape, making them suitable for playback of all genres of music. While sound quality is vital, don't overlook the importance of comfort when selecting a premium class headphone. Yamaha designed the Pro Series for hours of comfortable music enjoyment. The reinforced adjustable headband uses a thick, rich padding material that is specifically contoured to prevent ear fatigue. The Pro 400 comes with two interchangeable tangle-resistant flat cables. The 4-foot length is certified as made for iPod, iPhone, and iPad. The inline remote control and microphone module is optimized for use with Apple devices, with intuitive controls for music playback and phone operation. A 10-foot length is also included for the freedom to move around the room when listening at home. The durable, hinged headband folds for easy storage inside the supplied hard case. Available in either piano black or ivory white. The Pro 400 high-fidelity, over-the-ear headphones do more than just deliver music to your ears. They create the sensation of being there in the studio or on the stage with your favorite artist. If you love music, listen to the Pros.